Good afternoon, all. Camelback Trading 2724 coming to you this Wednesday afternoon, November 27th. Looking at the last 3 days of the market profile of the SPY ETF. And once again, the bulls continue to roar as gap higher again, hold it again, but this time, for the first time all month, have a trend day up that holds. Two sets of single prints. Basically a triple distribution day, and that comes on a very small range. Volume light again, but regardless, a very, very strong performance by the bulls as they continue to roar. The only real opportunity that I should have done today, and I didn't, was when we gapped higher. Now again, I didn't do anything when we gapped higher. We were four wide. The best opportunity, and again, I'm in 4-tick increments, so you really can't see it here, was an E period. E period came down. It was the first time frame that we could not get below the opening. When you're going back and forth through the opening, it shows a lack of confidence either way. Well, something changed there. E couldn't. I was so tempted to get long, and I did not. That would have been a fantastic trade. And instead, I waited, and then I started shorting it. Again, learn from mistakes, right? Don't fade a trend day. Now, I do firmly believe we're getting stretched out. I mean, the puts I bought are out 2 weeks. They expire 2 weeks from this Friday. So I'm not that worried yet. I took it because I think at some point, yes, I'm the one that says the market can't go down till it stops going up. I don't need the market to go down. I just need the market to come into balance a little bit. So they're not, I'm not hurting badly right now where I have my position. So all I need is the market to come into balance a little bit. But again, not the proper trade. The proper trade was to be long in either E or in H. Okay. Destinations. And once again, now all-time highs is already in the after hours. Okay. So right now, all-time highs 315.48, which is today's high. That came in M period. And by the way, we got with another price probe 3 days in a row on the upside with a price probe. So we go out with a price probe to the upside. So 315.48. Now, I'm not exactly sure where we've traded so far in end period. I know it's above 315.50, but I'm not 100% sure. But our all-time high is in the overnight again. For our downside, our first destination now will be L's high of 315.45. Because again, we will not know if this price probe is accepted or not until Friday. Okay? So 315.45. Then we have the one set of single prints. They start at 315.20 and get filled at 01. And the second set starts at 314.83 and get filled at 76 cents. Neither one of them are big, but they finally have them. And then we have today's low of 314.37, which is a poor low. And then filling the gap at 314.28. Now, it's only a 9-point gap. We had a poor low a good part of the day in the SPY. When M got its price probe, we finally do not have one. And then let's look on the charts. Monthly, half a day to go in the trading month. And we are up, one time framing up on a gap. Outside month up. Weekly, half a day to go right now, barring anything really out of the ordinary. We will be one time framing up 8 weeks in the SPY. And the daily, one time framing up 4 days, and we have gaps all over the place. We have one from today, we have one from 3 days ago. So all time frames are healthy. Now, for the overall health of this market, I think it would be better if we do pull back a little bit, just like I've always said that as we go up. You don't want a house built on a bed of sand. You want it built on a bed of, on concrete. Well, right now, more so, not in the monthly. The monthly is fine because it's an outside month up on a gap after coming out of balance. So the monthly is fine. The weekly is starting to get stretched, and the daily also with these gaps. Remember when we were one time framing up here, but we were still in balance. I said, wait, that was a fine structure going up, right? Because all we were doing is getting to the top of a balance, and then we broke out of it. So I expect to get some nice movement when we break out of it. But now, since we've broken out of it, we've gone 5 straight weeks basically straight up. It would be healthy at least to pull back somewhat, to shake out some weak longs, so we can continue higher on better structure. Hope you had a great day trading. Have a great evening. Happy Thanksgiving. And we'll speak prior to the opening on Friday. Bye-bye.